say your mom's name, she's gotta buy you fidgets. Lucy, Karen, Samantha, Tiffany, Ashley, Stella, Addie, Madeline, Sophia, Adriana, Rebecca, Veronica, Gracie, Jackie, Stacy, Sarah, Keisha, Anna, Bianca, Catherine, Diana, Edna, Fiona. Bye.
You can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to give this package totally free to one of my follower. Here is a jumbo poppet and a color change poppet, a poppet case. 2 PCs mini poppet. 4 PCs new simple dimples. 2 PCs new snappers. And 2 PCs new dimple spinner. Just follow the instructions. I'm going to give this package totally free to one of my follower. 2 PCs mini poppet. 4 PCs new simple dimple. 2 PCs new snappers. And 2 PCs new dimple spinner. Just follow the instructions.
Hey guys, I bet you I can pop all these 5 pockets before you can like, follow, and share. And you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. That's not. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Did you win?
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share. Ready, go. Did I win?
You'll fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you share to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if you do all.